Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing 24/7. In this video, we will be learning how to add layers in PicsArt. To add layers in PicsArt, first of all launch open the PicsArt application on your mobile device. Once you do so, from the main home page, click on the See All plus button at the top left and select an image or a background you want to start with. After you do that, in order to add a new layer, go to the bottom menu and click on the Add Photo option. You can now go ahead and add another background or photo that you want to layer with. After you are done with the selection, click on the Add button at the top right and you will be able to add another layer on your project. Now, you can go ahead and add other layers by tapping on the plus button at the bottom left. You can add photos, text, shapes, stickers as your layer. Each time you add, it will automatically create a new layer on PicsArt. Now after you've added enough layer onto your project, go to the upper right hand corner and tap on the two stacked square kind of an icon which will be used in order to show your layers used on the project. Now you can simply press hold and drag the layers in order to reorder them. To hide and show the layer, simply tap on the eye icon right above the layer. So that is how you will be able to add layers on PicsArt. That way you can easily manage complex editing. After you are done, click on the Apply button at the top right and save your changes and exit the Layers panel. Save your project or continue editing as needed. So that is how you can easily use layers in PicsArt so that it allows you for more flexibility and control over your editing, making it easier to create complex and polished images. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.